Hello, this is Dilek. Welcome back to KC Himalaya channel. Today we are going to be talking about interesting topic, meditation and its potential benefit for people who suffer from anxiety. We know that anxiety can be a tough nut to crack, but fear not. We are here to tell you about a potential solution that doesn't involve raiding the medicine cabinet. In this video, we will explore the science behind how meditation works and discuss the result of recent studies on meditation as treatments for anxiety. So what is the meditation? Well, it's basically the act of sitting still, closing your eyes, and trying to think about absolutely nothing. Sounds easy, right? Well, not exactly. Meditation is a technique that involves focusing your mind on a particular object. Thoughts or activity to achieve the mentally clear and emotionally calm state. It's been used for centuries in a various spiritual and religious traditions. But in recent years, it has gained popularity as a secular practice with the potential health benefits. One popular method is mindfulness-based stress reduction. Recent studies have shown that MBSR can be an effective treatment for anxiety. In fact, one study found that it was more effective than traditional medication. So what's the catch? Well, long-lasting mental stability without becoming drug addiction, while the benefit of the medication were short-lived. That means you could be feeling better for a longer period of time if you practice meditation. So how does meditation work to reduce anxiety? According to research, meditation can help reduce activities in the amygdala, a part of the brain that is responsible for the fight or flight response. In other words, it can help calm the part of your brain that's telling you to freak out. And who doesn't want that? So there you have it. Meditation could be promising alternative or complementary treatment for anxiety. Sure, it might take some time to get a hang of it, but the potential benefits are worth it. And hey, if nothing else, at least you could get some peace and quiet for a few minutes each day. So go ahead, give a meditation try. Who knows, you might just find your inner zen. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe for more.